Meaning of hit or miss.
Hit or miss.
Hit or miss.
Hit or miss.
Hit or miss. Hit or miss is a phrase used to describe something that involves a degree of chance or unpredictability. It suggests that the outcome of a situation could go either way, with no clear indication of what the result will be. For example, a hit or miss strategy may involve taking risks without really knowing whether they will pay off or not. This can lead to either success or failure, depending on the circumstances. In short, hit or miss indicates that something is uncertain and that the outcome is not guaranteed.